Hello, I am Christopher Gonzalez, and today we will be going over Windsurf. This is exciting. Um, we're going to go over Windsurf and we're going to iterate some code. We're going to talk to the AI agent and see how Windsurf works. It's very exciting to go over this with you guys. It's very intriguing. Um, it is an AI powered integrated development environment. Okay, it's an IDE, so it creates code for you. So the on the other sides, we're gonna be discussing about how this works and what it is. So this is an introduction to Windsurf. Um, it's very exciting. So here we have a few topics. It's a revolutionary AI agent powered editor. So it has the capabilities of uh, if you ask it to create a snake game, the AI will actually write the code for you. So there's no copying and pasting. And it will also show you how all the dependencies it adds and all the tools it needs in order for the code to function properly. So it's a transforming software development with advanced AI, evolution of AI tools from basic autocomplete to sophisticated agent-based editing. Presentation goals, explore Windsurf's capabilities, impact, and future enhancements. So welcome to today's presentation on Windsurf, a groundbreaking AI agent powered editor that is transforming the landscape of software development. We're excited to show you how AI is reshaping the tools we use to code. This is very exciting. I hope you all pay attention to this and are encouraged to try Windsurf. And hopefully, you guys can let me know how it went on your end. And we could actually discuss how we can make this better. So AI tools have evolved significantly in recent years, starting with the simple autocomplete features that you find in your phone, iMessage, or Androids. When you text, it auto generates text for you, which is pretty awesome. So we also moved to sophisticated intelligence systems like ChatGPT, and right now what's coming up is DeepSeek. Okay, that understand and predict developer needs. Windsurf is at the forefront of its this evolution. Today, I'll walk you through how Windsurf works, demonstrating its capabilities in real time, and discuss how it's not just changing the way we write code, but also how we think about the development process itself. So, the goal for today is to give you a comprehensive overview of Windsurf's current features, its impacts on our users, and what the future holds as we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what AI can do in software development. By the end of this session, you'll understand why Windsurf is not just another tool, but a vital component in modern software engineering, designed to make development faster, more efficient, and intuitive. Let's dive into how Windsurf integrates cutting edge AI technology to automate routine tasks or generate code or games or anything that you want it to do. Provide intelligent code suggestions and seamless fit into your development workflow. So here we're demonstrating Windsurf in action. Here I have an image. On the right hand side, you have the AI agent where it takes in your prompt or your suggestion of what you wanted to create. So here I created a snake game. It shows you the dependencies it requires. Okay, here we'll discuss about that. Um, it creates files for you. Okay, it stores them for you, and it also look here the dependency it installs whatever you need, and on the left hand side it actually writes the code for you. You don't have to even paste it or copy it from somewhere else. So here the project setup and automation, setting up environments and installing dependencies that we just discussed right now. Interactive AI suggestions that accepts or modifies AI generated code recommendations. So you can also accept it or you could decline it. Um, on the code, it usually tells you if whatever is changed, you could accept or deny it. So integration and automation, deep integration with development environments for enhanced efficiency. Okay, so let's move directly into demonstrating Windsurf. Here on the screen, you can see the user's interface as we initiate the creation of a Python snake game. Notice how Windsurf intentionally sets up the project. It's not just about writing lines or code. It's about understanding the entire ecosystem of development, from setting up virtual environments to managing dependencies. Okay, it creates them, it installs them. So here in Windsurf, it suggests edits and optimizations. That's unique in the interactive aspect. Developers can accept or tweak these suggestions, making AI a partner in the coding process. The integration goes deeper than just suggesting code. Windsurf automates documentation, searches, aligns with coding standards, and even refactors existing code to improve efficiency and performance. Okay, we're learning a lot with Windsurf. So this demonstration highlights the AI's capabilities to interact with the development environment in real time, suggesting and executing improvements that typically take hours. And it just does the code in a matter of minutes. So it saves you time. The key takeaway here is the seamless interaction between the developer and Windsurf, empowering users to maintain high productivity levels and focus on creative aspects of development while the AI handles the code. So it's really crazy how Windsurf is helping you create code. Not even someone that doesn't even have an experience in coding can actually use this and create code themselves, which is amazing. So we're gonna move on to the next slide. So here is the future of development with Windsurf. What else do they plan in the future? Well, the next what they're doing is it's called Windsurf Beta. Um, this is gonna enhance their projects. Okay, so I encourage you guys to download this and provide some feedback and let me know how it goes with you guys at your end. And hopefully you guys like it, and hopefully you let me know how it goes. So here we've seen Windsurf in action right on the last slide, but we're gonna go on the other slides and talk a little bit more about how it runs, so you guys can see it in real action and how what did I do to create the snake game, or what else did I integrate, or how did it function correctly? Did it give me issues? What really happened in the back end of it? So imagine a tool that not only writes code but anticipates the needs of projects before they are fully articulated by developers. This is where we are heading with Windsurf, creating a truly intelligent development assistant. So this is very intriguing with all of this. So we're gonna move on to the next slide. So here I was creating a snake game on Windsurf, and we're gonna go over it step by step and see how it ran and what it created. So I asked Cascade, create me a snake game. So I ended up creating a snake game, and it went step by step, and it actually showed me what's going on the back end of it and what did it create. It's very intriguing. So over here it says it created a text file, and this text file was actually saved in my PC, in my C drive, where Windsurf got installed, and it automatically created the whole folders, the whole Python files, Like here, it created the snake underscore game Python file. It also installed the required dependencies for the game to run. So here's the dependency, and it shows here. It also shows here the terminal when it runs dependencies. As you can see, we get an error. So after the error, it automatically adjusts itself to see what do I have to install, what's going on, what's the problem, and it moved on here. It tried to install the Anaconda. Okay, so it also Anaconda install Pygame. It actually didn't work as well, and it also tells you, I apologize for installation issues. Let's try one more approach while using pip with a pre-built wheel. So here it uses this dependency, and wow, there we go. It already got satisfied. Once it got satisfied, it lets you know, okay, let's run the game. So it actually, a button comes on that says, do you want to run? And you make the game run, and it actually runs. It's amazing how Windsurf was able to generate a snake game in a matter of seconds. It's a matter of minutes. It didn't take that long. Um, Here's also the code it generated, and it's running on my terminal. My terminal's here, and my PC. It's running. Um, so on the next slide, I recorded running the game and I actually going through all the terminal commands and that it was doing, and hopefully you guys get excited for that. So here we're gonna go over the terminal commands and what I was asking Cascade, the AI agent, and how it helped me create the game, the snake game. Okay, so here, it just gave me the snake game, and every time it was just going over the wall, or every time I lost, it just shut off the whole game. So I was just like, you know what? Can you just give me a try try again button or a quit button? And it actually did give me that on the first try, which is very amazing. It's it's really good how this thing works. I also told it to give me a start button at the start of the game, as you can see. But here I just didn't. I didn't. I didn't try to fix it because of the crunch time. Uh, so here we see that is generating the code. Uh, yeah, I created some walls. Okay, created some walls. It gave me walls that I didn't need, which was I think a cross wall or a zigzag wall, which I ended up removing later on. And then here I created the the difficulty of the game. Okay, so I added a lot of things to try to mess with it and try to figure out how. But then I was actually running out of tokens because this is a free trial, so it's a running based on tokens. You do have to pay a subscription for this, so you could use it. So here I said, okay, create three difficulty levels: easy, medium, and hard. So the easy, of course, we're gonna do the snake game, but with no walls. And the second one, we're gonna do the walls, but here the walls are not moving. And then, of course, hard. Let's make the walls move, make it more difficult, right? Obviously, I should have added more walls, make it more exciting for you guys. But this is amazing how on the right hand side, that's the snake game it generated. It could be it's amazing how what you could do with this. It will give you endless possibilities. So thank you for being here. My name is Christopher Gonzalez, and my YouTube channel is Christopher Gonzalez -05. I recommend you guys to download Windsurf. Let me know how you guys ended up doing and what you guys created. Super excited to hear from you guys and get some feedback. Thank you.